All right. Citi just announced a really nice dividend, right? 53 cents a share. I guess that's their standard dividend, but that's for having a stock that trades between about 30 to 40 cents. I just have to pull over my calculator and just as a dividend holder, you know, let's see, 53 cents over the stock price. Let's just say 40 bucks. I mean, gosh, quarterly, that's not that bad, right? 1.3% every quarter. So I can see why people just buy and hold Citigroup, right? And they don't actually even care if Citigroup goes up or down in value because they're making 6%, so, 5 to 6% per year just by owning the stock. That's a great litmus test for us premium sellers, right? If we find a stock that is paying their shareholders a nice dividend, that makes the underpinnings of a great symbol. So we came off of a top. It looks like we got follow through probably the next day. I'd have to look at an intraday chart for sure. We missed that signal. We're probably looking for a level of resistance around 43, 42 to 43. So we'll let that play out. Once we get a reversal signal, I mean, if you don't mind betting against Citigroup, you could definitely short this stock. Or if you don't want to pay as much as shorting a stock or you don't have a margin account, you could totally buy a back month deep in the money, far out in time put option. It'll be cheaper and it'll also be something that is a cash account friendly transaction. And that'll set you up with a initial covering position in order to then sell put premium in the future. And then if Citigroup decides to slam past $38 and start to do one of these moves that it did in July and August, you'll be set perfectly to profit off of their downturn. I'm not fully convinced that this current rally has legs on it. And so I wouldn't even be surprised if betting against Citigroup and the banking industry right now is not a bad idea. I still think that there's some more money that has to be sucked out of the equities market during 2024. So I almost am a little bit, and I know people are going to send me all sorts of things because in the last 5 days we've seen this monster rally, but I wouldn't be surprised if sane heads come on and we see the situation that we're in and we see some more sell off all through 2024. So betting against Citigroup, I don't know if that's the worst idea. I think it might be a good idea.